Hello everyone. Are you looking for a way to make money online? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money free by writing in Medium. Medium is a platform where anyone can write and share stories and ideas. And it has a great opportunity to make money. You can write stories and get paid for it. The first step is to create an account. You can sign up with your existing Google or Twitter account or create a new one. Once you've created your account, you'll need to pick your profile image and a username. The next step is to start writing. You can write about anything you're passionate about. You can even write about personal experiences or current events. After that, you need get 100 followers on your profile. That is really low number. After you get 100 followers, just join to Medium Partner Program. Once you've written your piece, you can submit it to be published on Medium. After it's published, you'll start earning money. You'll make money each time someone reads your post. To maximize your earnings, you should promote your work. You can do this by sharing it on social media, reaching out to influencers, or joining Medium.